The third is the jump station. This is an administrative server. It takes all of the administrative activity, and all of the admins have to go through it in order to do their job. So it is a gold mine for attackers if they're able to get access to this. And here we see a network identity and a network activity. Those combine to give a little bit lower, 6 out of 10 based on what we've seen here, but it is high from an importance standpoint because of that administrative funneling. And so this scores as a 78, not quite as high, but again, this should be looked at with urgency. So this is how the signal was generated. For the Fictotech SOC, it was really easy for them to connect the dots and say, this is all related. I'll show you how. This is the marketing server. There's command and control. There's some recon activity. Then there's lateral movement. This is moving to another server in the data center using a live off the land technique. And what I can see is the account that was used in this is AdamAdmin. It targets Jump Station 5. Those should sound really familiar. Those are the other two entities that we've been looking at. So obviously this attack activity is related. And further, if I look at Jump Station 5 and I look at the lateral movement, this is again using the AdamAdmin account. It's going to a special type of server called that is used or can provide access into Azure AD. Now, this also is live off the land. Jump Station 5 had an EDR. The EDR didn't detect this. And the reason is because it's living off the land. There is no malware. And this looks, from the perspective of just that endpoint, this looks like normal administrative activity. But Vectra has a much broader perspective on all of the relationships and how admin activity happens across the entire environment. And we were able to determine that this was malicious, where an EDR could not. And so that's how we flagged it. If you look then onto AdamAdmin, that launch or that movement onto the AD server tells us how they were able to move into Azure AD and on into M365 for AdamAdmin. Now, if I'm in the Fictotech SOC, I know Azure AD is our primary cloud identity platform. It provides access to a whole bunch of things. It provides access to M365, which has a lot of interesting data in it. It also provides access to about 100, 150 SaaS applications that are federated. It provides access into the AWS control plane, where a lot of really key information and applications live. And so in the Fictotech SOC, I want to know what's going on with this account. What else is it doing? And Vectra, thankfully, can help here as well.